Hello students, welcome to Fun Maths Club. Last class we learned about perimeter of plane figures. Also we did this review exercise. Today we are going to move to sector of a circle. Look at this circle. This shaded region or the area is sector of a circle. This part is this shaded area is proportion to the circle. Okay, here this C is a center and AB is an arc, CA and CB are radii. Okay, this sector is bounded by three sides. One is arc AB, other one is radius CA, the last one is radius CB. Here, let's erase everything. Here this theta is an angle at the center. This theta can take any value starting from 0 to 360 degrees. Let's say this theta is 180. Okay, that means it's semicircle. If theta is 90 degrees, it's a quarter circle. Okay, under 1.1 we are going to learn how to measure arc length. Okay, so let's move to this. Consider this circle. Here theta is 360 degree. Okay, the value of theta is 360 and the radius is r. So here the length of the arc is exactly equal to circumference of this circle. So the arc length is equal to 2 pi times the radius. Radius is r here, so we can multiply it by r. So your answer is 2 pi r. Okay, hope this one is clear to you. Let's move to the next part. Look at this circle. This is a semicircle. So this circumference, the arc length of this semicircle is half of the circle. So we have done the previous part. So that is 2 pi r. So half of this is pi r. Let's go to our example here. So here you could see arc length of the semicircle is half times 2 pi r. Okay, here you can write it like this in more detail. You can write a fraction part here, the proportion of these two angles. So angle of the semicircle and the total angle of a whole circle. So then if you solve this, you would get half. Yeah, half times 2 pi r. So 2 and 2 cancel out. So you would get pi r. Okay, so let's move to next part, that is quarter circle. Okay, if that circle is quarter and your sector of a circle is this part, so how to find the arc length from here to here? So you know that one also quarter of the circumference of this circle, right? So you can multiply it by 1/4 this 2 pi r, right? Okay, so these two cancel out. I mean, you would get 2 here and 1 times pi r is equal just pi r over 2. Okay, hope this one is clear to you. Let's erase everything. Let's move to this. Okay, we can come to a conclusion. So arc length would give angle proportion times 2 pi r. Okay, so here this theta and r are variables. These two can vary. So if your r is, let's say, if the r is 7 centimeters and theta is let's say 40 degrees, you can substitute like this: 40 upon 360 times 2 pi times radius is 7. Yeah, so you can do like that. Then you can continue this one: 40 upon 360 times, instead of pi you can write it 22 upon 7 times 7. Then you can solve and get the answer, and from that you can find the arc length. Hope this one is clear to you. In the next class we can do few examples. Okay, then followed by we can do the exercise. Let's move to this page number 5. So here, look at this table. You could see these two values are same. Yeah, so here it's semicircle, we have done it already, and this is quarter circle. This one also we have done it. So let's move to part C. Here you could say the sector of a circle is 1/3. Also, the arc length of the circle is 1/3 of the circumference of the circle. So you know we can use this fraction to find the arc length. Arc length divided by circumference, you would get this fraction, right? The same way you can divide angle length at the center. I mean, same way you can write another fraction: angle length at the center divided by total length at the center would give the angle proportion. Okay, these two would give the same value. Okay, here let's move to D part. The circumference of the circle is 3/4 of the arc length of the circle is 3/4 of this circumference. Also the angle at the center also 3/4 of the circle. So likewise, theta is an angle that we don't know, it's an unknown value, and we can divide by 360, that is known value. So from that we can find the circumference. Okay, so if you do few examples, it would be clear to you all. So let's do these example in our next class. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.